Hello everyone. Mars, the red planet. Mars, often referred to as the red planet, is the fourth planet from the Sun in our solar system. It is the second smallest planet with a radius of approximately 2106 miles. The reddish appearance of its surface is due to the presence of iron oxide or rust. Surface and geographical features. The Martian surface is primarily composed of tholeiitic basalt, although parts are more silica-rich than typical basalt and may be similar to andesitic rocks on the Earth. The surface features of Mars include dark slope streaks, dust devil tracks, sand dunes, medusae fossae formation, fretted terrain, layers, gullies, glaciers, scalloped topography, chaos terrain, possible ancient rivers, pedestal craters, brine terrain, and ring mold craters. Mars also has the tallest mountain in the solar system, Olympus Mons. Atmosphere and climate. Mars has a thin atmosphere primarily composed of carbon dioxide 95%, molecular nitrogen 2.8%, and argon 2%. It also contains trace levels of water vapor, oxygen, carbon monoxide, hydrogen, and noble gases. The average surface pressure is only about 610 pascals, which is less than 1% of the Earth's value. The climate on Mars exhibits important similarities to Earth's, such as the presence of polar ice caps, seasonal changes, and observable weather patterns. However, the Martian climate is much colder than Earth's due to its thin atmosphere and its greater distance from the Sun. The average temperature on Mars is about minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 60 degrees Celsius, although it can vary from minus 195 Fahrenheit or minus 125 Celsius near the poles during the winter to as much as comfortable 70 degrees Fahrenheit 20 degrees Celsius at midday near the equator. Exploration history. Mars has been a subject of human interest and scientific exploration for centuries. The first successful Mars mission was the Mariner 4 flyby in 1965. Since then, numerous missions have been launched to study the red planet, including the Viking program landers in 1975, the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, and the Mars rover Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, and Perseverance. The Perseverance rover, which landed on Mars in 2021, has begun its search for signs of ancient life on the red planet. It is equipped with a suite of scientific instruments designed to study the Martian geology and climate and search for biosignatures of past microbial life. Possibility of life. The possibility of life on Mars has been a subject of significant interest in astrobiology due to the planet's proximity and similarities to Earth. While no proof of past or present life has been found on Mars, the planet's past environment is believed to have contained liquid water and may have been habitable for microorganisms. However, habitable conditions do not necessarily indicate life. Scientists are currently looking for signs of life that existed long ago, when Mars was warmer and covered with water. The Perseverance rover is searching for evidence of past life, including a past biosphere based on autotrophic, chemotrophic, or chemolithioautotrophic microorganisms. In conclusion, Mars is a fascinating planet with a rich history of exploration. Its similarities to Earth and the possibility of past habitability make it a prime target for future missions aimed at uncovering the secrets of the red planet and perhaps answering the age old question, are we alone in the universe? Thank you. Bye.